How to find PC password of Windows 10. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out the password of Windows 10 if you have set any. So let's just go ahead and look out on how to do that without any further delay. For that, it is super easy. You just need to open up a desktop. Once opened up, what you need to do is head over to the search bar and type in Control Panel. After that, open up Control Panel in your device. Once opened up, you'll be finding this Windows on your screen. The next thing you need to do is, after opening it up, you can go to this View by section here. You can select large icons. After that, this will appear on your screen. So the next thing you need to do is go to Credential Manager, this one right here, under Audio Control, and open it up. And you'll be finding Web Credentials and Windows Credentials. So since we are looking for Windows, go ahead and select up the second option that says Windows Credentials. And here, under this section, if you have set up any password, you'll be finding it right here below this section. So you can just go ahead and look out your password, your PC password of your Windows 10 right here. So therefore, you can follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.